Hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. A personal development and financial blessing opportunity. Stay tuned for the next few moments because I've got something exciting that I want to share with you. Okay? Okay, so the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, or the Blessing Program, we're also calling it, is a personal development and financial blessing opportunity. Okay, now stay with me here. All right, how would you like to receive multiple $100 payments direct to you? All right, and it's about the direct payments, and it's all about you, and it's all about blessings. Okay, I'm introducing the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, or the Blessing Program. It is one of the best ways to start generating quick funds online today. It is a simple, easy, and potentially very profitable program. Okay, the Secret 3 Pages is a powerful Cliff Notes style mini course in personal transformation or personal development. Okay, and you'll receive life-changing information. Okay, now the Secret 3 Pages are currently equivalent to approximately 30 Word document pages, and every month more life-changing information will be added to the program. So this is a robust, mini course that is just going to continue to grow and grow. All right. So in other words, one page of our system can contain the equivalent of up to 10 or more Word document size pages. Okay, so we're up to about the equivalent of 30 Word document pages currently, and so we have a lot of information, life-changing, powerful information for you. Okay. Okay, here's what you're going to get. All right, you'll receive the Secret 3 Pages, which contains, number 1, vital, life-changing information. Okay, and that's with our personal transformation mini course, which is actually growing into a full-blown course. Okay, started out as a mini course, but I'm adding all the time. Very powerful stuff. Helpful instructions, number 2. Number 3, a list of our top advertising resources. Number 4, an action plan. Number 5, pre-written ad copy. Number 6, our bi-monthly newsletter. Number 7, DFY email posts. Number 8, the right to market the Secret 3 Pages. And number 9, well, I guess we can say that, right? This is a simple, easy, peer-to-peer program. Okay? All right. It's $100 one time out of pocket. That's it. Okay? And you'll earn multiple $100 payments direct to you. And obviously, you know, you want to share the program, work the program. Okay, that's how you make the money. There's no guarantee. You know, I don't care what business you get into, you're not guaranteed that you're going to make money. But we've got something powerful here that we've put together, and that we continue to grow and develop this program. So it is absolutely powerful. You're able to choose the payment processors that you desire to use. Payment processors like Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, etc. work best with our program. In my opinion, you might have some payment processors that you use that you like. It's up to you, okay? Now, you do not need a website to do this business. However, you'll be introduced to an easy to use, no cost website solution that you can use if you want to. Keep in mind also that ad copy, all of that's all pre-written for you. Any information you want to put anywhere, we have it available for you, okay? But there you have it. Be sure now to visit the website. There's more information there, okay? And how to get started and all of that. And hopefully you've seen something here that really interests you, and hopefully you can see yourself sharing a video like I'm sharing, and you can use the videos that I do and send them out to people that you know, or you might have a list, etc. Okay, but you can use my videos as well, because they does all the explaining for you, right? Absolutely. But there you have it, guys. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. A personal development and financial blessing opportunity. The Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, okay? Or the Blessing Program. I'm out. Bye-bye now.